I am here to talk to you about possibly the most powerful asset in this room.
Please welcome to the stage, Shivvy Jervis.
Shivvy Jervis.
We are in a human-led AI future, not the other way around.
We are ultimately in the business of people.
Augmented intelligence, where we keep people in the equation and then still make sense of, layer on, and use the phenomenal computational firepower, the breathtaking ability in terms of speed that the AI tool can do. I'm going to show you how to apply the neuroscience behind motivation.
Your attention or your team's attention or your consumer's attention is just gone. That's it.
The psychology of business, of work, of how we relate to each other. And we are, as organizations, only as good as our best talent. So let's make sure we focus on that.
Metaverse content creators, and then an ethicist, because AI is not infallible.
AI can now make you say things you never said, be in places you never were.
There's even, of course, a deep fake of Tom Cruise.
AI cannot replicate human consciousness, intuition, empathy, motivation. Where we've come is actually a brilliant, pivotal inflection point.
We are ultimately in the business of people, not just products and services. Thank you for listening.